Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. Now I've got some epoxy resin left over from another craft, so I'm going to use it in this mold. Now, what do you reckon this is? Well, it's actually a picture frame holder, back, plate holder, one of those sort of things. So let's fill this mold up and see what it turns out like. So I have epoxy resin here and I have just added a purple ultrafine glitter to it. Okay, I'll let that mold sit for a little bit and then I will get my little heat tool here and I'll pop any bubbles. I will also clear off these edges here. It's overspilled here a little bit, so we'll clean that up and I'll let that cure for 24 hours and we'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, it has been 48 hours, time to unmold this little frame stand. Well, the glitter is really pretty. Now, how does this go? I'd imagine something like that. What do I have to stand on it? Don't know. Something like that. Can you see that? Anyway, it looks like it will fit something perfectly. Stand. Very nice. Well, if you're looking for something a little bit different, give this mold a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.